Hey, new toy today. Multiple desoldering tool. Yes, not the only tool on this channel. So here's the story. I'm not a pro, obviously. I'm still learning. I have a bog standard desoldering pump. This guy, right here. Very similar to what you'll find at any surplus store, AliExpress, or probably Amazon. Anyway, I've noticed that lately the actual pump part has become very sticky, and obviously that's not sustainable. So I tried greasing the spring in here. It appears that if I cover the whole thing in isopropyl alcohol, it works for like 1 or 2 pumps, but that's really annoying when you're trying to remove, I don't know, an 84-pin PLCC socket. So I needed something new, and I've had my eye, of course, on a fancy electronic Hako station, but I can't afford that because it's not like I'm doing this for money. I saw this online. The reviews are pretty good. It's basically a soldering iron with a built-in pump, so you're no longer aiming with your soldering iron and hopefully getting the motion right and then getting the pump in and getting the whole thing up. I don't know if this actually works, but I'm kind of excited. I'm also excited that it looks like the packaging has not changed in, I don't know, 30 years. Exciting. Plug in your AC line cord. Coat the tip with solder. Press the plunger. Put the IC lead where the solder is going to be removed. Put the tip on there. Move it in a circular motion until the solder completely melts and press the button to remove the solder. Who's excited? I'm excited. And then clean it once in a while and grease the piston. Anyway, I'm going to open this thing up. I'm going to see if this thing works. I don't know if it works. Inside we have a pin for cleaning. We've got a cord that is not grounded, which seems to be kind of standard for some of these products. In here we have a kind of standard tip. I'm going to screw on here. Looks like a chamber here for collecting the goo. Pretty decent action. Doesn't feel like there's a lot of suction in here. It also seems like, I don't know, the inside of this is kind of interesting. I guess this whole unit can come out. Theoretically, this whole thing kind of pivots out. I don't want to break it. Oh, nice and easy. Alright, so there's the soldering iron. Here's the actual chamber. Unscrew this. Inside it's just grease. It's just grease from the plunger. Nice. Easy enough. Let's find something we don't care about. Let's see if this works. Alright. I've had this up for free. For free, locally, for quite some time. Nothing. No one cares. Whew! It stinks. That is smelly. Whatever it's burning off, it is absolutely burning off. That's awful. That smells terrible. Fan on. Anyway, this modem. No one wants it. No one cares. So, got a couple pinpoints here that we can try. See how it goes. Once it's done, apparently like starting a fire. My goodness. Like, I don't know if you can see it on camera. That can't be good. This is like a name brand too. So while that's smoking up, let's tin the tip of this and see if that's working. Prime it. Get my glasses on. It's not really an easy position to hold this. So we're just going to hope for the best. I'm going to go ahead and just put the tip over this lead, melt some solder, and pull. Wow! Alright, so pulling this up here, we got this one right here. So you can see, kind of by comparison here, it's a standard soldered lead here, and this pulled it clean. I mean, that was magic, honestly. Now, just in case, well, no, we'll worry about that later. Alright, well that is something. Kind of a fan. Want something smaller. Why not do one more, since this is already short. So, let's see here. I doubt this will work, but one of these guys here, primed, tip down, pull. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Let's pull another big lead. Down the tip. Slight circular motion. Pull. Clear. If we look in the unit, you can see splattered right up there on the top, so it'll be important to clean this thing just like any other pump. But yeah, pretty happy. Anyway, that's that. So that's this guy right here, nice and clear. That's just wild. Anyway, that's that.